name is Leslie, and today we are going to go ahead and do the Abyss Knight. This is from the Darksiders video game. I believe this is one of those that from the Demon Flame Studios. So let's go ahead and get a look at the box, and then we will go ahead and we'll get a look at the figure. So all right, there's the front of the box. It's like hand drawn. This is a really cool figure. It actually looks like it actually comes out of the video game. There's a picture of what it looks like in the video game, and then we'll put them side by side. I'll put a picture up on one side and a picture on the other side. Let me go ahead and get this open so you can go ahead and see what it looks like. That's what it looks like in the package. And then you have the back part, which is all of his weapons. Let's get a good look at the weapons first. So you have that weapon, and then you have the same weapon, and then you have this big one. I'll get a little closer so you can see the detail on that. That's nice detail. I really do like that. Okay, let me go ahead and set this down. So he also comes with, go ahead and get it open here. Right. I have not actually played this game yet. I don't play a lot of video games lately. My husband was obsessed with this game for a long time. I do believe he finished it like 4 times. So let's get that focused. There you go. There's that. Then you got 2 other hands. So here's his other hand. Okay. And then you have these, which go on the ends of your weapons. And I'm going to use a heating pad to put those on. So, and then here is your figure. Let me get all the plastic off of him. All right, so here's what the figure looks like. He does stand on his own, so that is good. He has a removable face mask, so you can change him out. He will need to be heated up. Not really. Sorry. He does not need to be heated up. He bends perfectly. But look at the detail on this figure. He looks like he came right out of the video game. So with that, he is a nice figure. With that being said, it is time in the episode for the Smash or Pass. So with this figure, I'm going to go ahead and hit a smash because I enjoy this figure because it looks like it came out of the video game. It is very flexible and movable, and the weapons are awesome looking. Look at that detail. That is amazing looking. That detail is amazing looking. That is all I have for you today. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button below. And I hope you have a great day or evening wherever you are in the world. Thank you. Bye.